In this scenario, we're in cut mode with Ngon, and what I'm going to do is just begin drawing a line, and we'll just draw a quick shape, and we'll just press B to bevel, and we already have the Q bevel present. And basically now, whenever you have Q bevel present, you're able to grab a dot and translate. This is something that we were struggling with and required quite a few revisions, but we were able to accomplish something that at least looks suitable for dealing with at least the Ngon system at this time. So looking at it even retroactively, I still see that there's additional work that needs to be done, but I'm hoping that giving it a little bit of time away allows us to basically reapproach it with clean eyes and think of other ways we can approach this and resolve how we translate and deal with the bevel and Ngon and Q bevel all at the same time in a way that's intuitive to users to get them where they want to go. And looking at this in 2024, I'm pleased with what we're looking at whenever it comes to Ngon, Q bevel, points, and Boxcutter.